What's going on, guys? Stephen Hamby with Pro PDR of Georgia and Dent Hog's Paintless Dent Repair. Tonight in the shop, we're going to be working on this motorcycle gas tank behind me. It's a CVO. It's got a nice sized dent in the side. If you are new to the channel and have never heard of Paintless Dent Repair, basically going to be repairing this dent without using body fillers or paint. We're going to be reshaping the metal from the inside, which preserves the factory finish and keeps everything original. This tank was actually shipped into us from Amarillo, Texas. And we get a lot of tanks from all over the country shipped in for repair. So we really appreciate all of the business and the support you guys are giving us. And just appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. Hope you enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started. So panning across the tank here, you can see as our light goes right underneath that Harley-Davidson emblem, there's about a golf ball sized dent in the right-hand side of the tank that we're going to be removing. Now we're going to rotate the tank over to give us a little bit more of a comfortable position to work on it, change our body positioning a little bit. We're going to install this bracket in the fuel opening. This bracket is designed specifically for these style Harley tanks so that we can go in and leverage off of those pre-drilled holes. Now we're snapping a handle on the end of our rod that we're going to be using. It has a threaded end on the other end where we can put different tips in, different shapes, sizes, tips that are made of different materials. This one we're going to be starting with is a hockey puck style tip. It's actually made of a soft rubber, and that's what we're going to use to start this dent. So we've sped the footage up here so you can really see this repair taking shape. Now we're actually reshaping the dent from inside, as we mentioned before. But as we do that, sometimes we get little high spots in the metal that we actually have to tap down. So if you see us tapping on the metal, that's what we're doing. We're actually leveling out those high spots. So with a combination of bringing up the lows and tapping down the highs, we're gonna go over this tank multiple times until we've completely smoothed out the damage. All right, guys, we've wrapped up this tank. It looks great. There is no evidence that there was ever any dent in this tank. If you would like to reach out to us about your tank or fender, you can find us online at motorcycledents.com.